making toast, and on the toast is going to be animals, and I'm going to tell you what you will need to make this. So let's get right into it. First, you're going to need toast. Second, you're gonna need peanut butter, any kind. I actually just chose Nutella. I didn't want to put melted chocolate on it. A banana, blueberries, and strawberries. Okay, I'm going to start making a bear. So I'm going to grab this and chop some of the fruit. I can't open it. No. Okay, I'm just going to spread the toast first. This kind of looks good. And of course my brother and sister and my mom are going to try it. And of course me too. This is probably going to be my brother's. Probably. Okay. I'm going to get a blueberry for the nose. And then, should I cut the banana? Because I have to open it like a monkey. There. Get off. Okay, I'm just going to cut this bit off. Put it on a pile. Okay, and I'm gonna put some chocolate underneath the eye so that it can stay. Okay, it's not really chocolate, it's Nutella, but it's close enough. Okay, got this. Goes on. Okay, yay, I need to get rid of some of this. Okay, and this doesn't really look like a bear, but it's close enough. Yeah, let's just move that to the side. So now, I don't know what I should make. Maybe I should make a monkey. It looks so cute. And mix. Should the monkey have peanut butter? Okay. And another blob. That looks tasty. Wonder who's gonna eat that one. I actually might eat the monkey. Cause your monkey would be adorable. Okay, put that to the side. Grab the banana again. Cut that. And then cut it. I was cutting it the wrong way. Cut it again. And then make a monkey mouth. And then get blueberries. And then make it his eyes. Wait a minute, I'm missing strawberries. My hands are very, very dirty. We need strawberries for the ears. And then cut it again. Cut this. And then cut this. Might get some more peanut butter. Okay, and then drip that now. move the eye down, and then put the other one on, and I got the monkey. I'm actually going to put ears on the other one, on the bear. So I'm going to quickly grab other strawberries. Okay, now, okay, I think I got the bear now. I don't know what it is anymore. That's good. Okay, one more. I might make this one a fox. Yeah. Has both of them. Okay. And that looks good. And then now I get the Nutella. And then I spread it around. Okay. Yeah, this looks good. Yeah. Yeah, this looks good. I think I'm nearly done this. Just gotta keep spreading. Like that. And then a little nose. I need some of this. Okay. Now add that there. Okay. One ear here. Actually, I should make a pointy. Okay. And then add that here. Cut a bit there. And then cut a bit there. Hopefully this is going to be just the right side. Yep. There is the fox. Okay, I've done all of them. And I'll get right back when I've done cleaning. So now we're going to eat it, and Blakey is going to rate me 1 out of 10. Kira couldn't really be in this video because she didn't really want to, but I still made her the toast. And so now let's enjoy the snack that I made, which is actually breakfast. That's pretty good. I've never actually had peanut butter on toast before, but it tastes good. Wow, very sticky. This is okay. It's okay. Yeah. So, like, what do you rate this out of 1 to 10? I heard 8 out of 10. I'm actually gonna rate mine. It's hard rating my own, but I'm gonna be honest. I think it's like an 8.5 out of 10. Yeah, that's how I think it is. That's the end of the video. Bye. I'll save that. You're gonna eat the rest or what? I'll save this. It's actually pretty good with peanut butter. Never noticed how tasty it is. Okay, what would you rate this?
Are you videoing?
No.
9.2.
I gave mine an 8.5.
I gave mine 9 out of 10.
It doesn't really taste the best because it's peanut butter, but it tastes nice. I might not eat the whole thing.